While racing your way to your dream university in Canada, perfecting your finances lap might just guarantee you the win. Cost of studying in Canada varies according to various factors that play a very important role in the process. The cost begins to add up as soon as you decide to appear for your standardized test and goes on to add up until you graduate. So, how to evaluate and estimate your total cost of studying in Canada? Hi, hope you are doing well and safe, and welcome back to YOKIDS YouTube channel. If this is the first time that you are tuning in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and to press the bell icon so that you never miss a video from YOKIDS. This video will highlight everything that you need to know about the cost of studying in Canada and how you can manage the same. So, let's fire up our engine and boost our way right into it. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Now let's begin with understanding the process a little bit. We will start with standardized tests as they form the foundation of your application package. Standardized tests. IELTS is an internationally owned English proficiency test which is often cited as the most trusted and most acknowledged test. A pen and paper test or an online test both can cost you around $200 while writing the test. TOEFL stands as another standardized test which is considered at the time of your application. The registration for this test costs around $185 and $50 more if you are late. Talking about the academic examinations such as GMAT, CMAT, LSAT, MCAT, all these tests can differ according to the course that you have selected to pursue. You may check out our online blogs to understand how these standardized tests are different and which one you should take for the university that you are applying for. Pointer number 2. Application fee. After you receive your TOEFL or IELTS score, the next step in the process is to start applying for the universities. You can either apply for an undergrad program or for a master's program according to your profile. The base application fee is $156, which includes your initial 3 program choices, which is required for all applicants according to Ontario University's application center. This may vary according to the university of your choice. The additional choice fee is $50 for each additional program choice beyond your first 3. Therefore, if you plan to apply for 5 courses, you must pay $156 as the base application fee, which includes 3 courses of your choice, and another $100 for the 2 additional courses, which adds up to $256 for 5 courses. Also, if you are not a permanent citizen for Canada or are an international student, you might have to pay $10 for international service fee. You might also have to pay for the supplemental document evaluation fee, which varies according to the university that you have selected. Some universities waive this fee off according to the course that you have selected and also while considering your educational background. Due to the current pandemic situation, most universities in Canada have waived off the application fee. You can get in touch with a counselor and understand what exactly is the current amount according to the present norm. For master's programs, the cost of applying for masters in Canada may vary depending on the university of your choice and also the course that you have selected. The ideal amount ranges in between $100 to $200. Coming to the visa process. The visa is the most important documentation required during the entire process, and one must be completely prepared before they apply for the same. In a visa interview, you must prepare for several questions related to the purpose of visiting and also be ready with your finances in case you are asked to present the same. You may reach out to our experts for a detailed run through the entire visa application process and interview, including mock interviews with professional guidance over your finances. 1. Must apply for a study permit, which is followed by a visitor visa once approved. You don't need to worry about applying for the visitor's visa as this process is automatic once you get your study permit approved. The SDS may cost around $150 Canadian plus biometric fee of $85 Canadian followed by the medical examination, which may cost around $120 Canadian. You are also required to purchase a guaranteed investment certificate of $10,000 Canadian in any Canadian bank. This investment certificate will be very useful in your visa application process. You are also required to show proof that you will be able to fund the first year of your education. The cost of education might differ from the university and the program that you choose, but an average cost associated with the first year of studying in a Canadian university ranges up to $15,000 Canadian. Talking about the tuition fee now. Your tuition fee is the primary focus as it ranges up to thousands of dollars in payment. You can either pay this amount from your personal funds, take a loan from a bank or an NBFC, or even waive this entire amount off by opting for a scholarship. For the scholarship, you will have to present necessary documents which will be further evaluated to prove your candidature. You may check out our blogs or even get in touch with our counselor to understand the cost of living in Canada and how you can finance your education journey abroad. Average tuition fee for undergraduate programs in Canada can range in between 10,000 Canadian dollars to 30,000 Canadian dollars. All of this depends on the choice of your university and again the course that you have selected. Parallelly, the cost of completing a postgraduate degree in Canada costs somewhere in between 15,000 Canadian dollars to 55,000 Canadian dollars. Again, the cost is based on the same choices of university and the course. And finally, living expenses and health insurance. Living expenses should vary upon your choice of living, which can either be the university dorms or renting out an apartment. You may also try cutting down the expenses by sharing your apartments with legitimate university roommates who may split the apartment rent and utility bills with you. However, an average living cost can cost up to 10,000 Canadian dollars and an additional health insurance costing around 750 Canadian dollars per annum. In conclusion, the average cost of first year of education in Canada may range from 30,000 Canadian dollars to 50,000 Canadian dollars, including all the requirements. To get a more detailed and a more precise cost estimate, you may want to reach out to our expert counselors at Yocket. Our financial experts will certainly guide you throughout the process by keeping your needs and requirements in mind. If you liked the video, do give us a thumbs up as it would mean the world to us. And if you are tuning in for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss a notification. And also, if you have any questions in mind, feel free to drop them below as comments and our experts will come back to you with some expert advice as soon as possible. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and we will see you with yet another video.